my name's Caitlin. I am one of the dance teachers for Ntxhais Hmong. Some of the girls have been dancing for like 3 years, and some of them is their first year dancing. My sisters and I started this dance group because we loved Hmong dancing. We've been dancing since we were little, and now we get to dedicate our time to the younger generations. We have about 19 girls on the team this year. They range from the ages of 7 to 12. They're a little nervous, so please welcome them, and I hope you enjoy our performances. Thank you.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn.